Hi students and friends, welcome to the channel Learn and Teach by Sir Ayaz. We'll continue the topic simple molecules and covalent bonds. The learning outcomes for this lesson is same, that is describe the formation of covalent bonds in simple molecules starting from hydrogen ending on nitrogen. Use dot and cross diagrams to show the electronic configurations in these and similar molecules. Recall the valencies of non-metals. I'm writing the valencies of non-metals only so that it will help you to draw dot and cross diagram. Starting from group 4, plus minus 4, minus 3, group 5, group 6, minus 2, group 7, minus 1. We write valencies. In today's lesson, I will show you how to draw dot and cross diagram between hydrogen and different elements. Let's start with the first one, which is methane. The formula is CH4, which indicates there are 4 hydrogen atoms attached to 1 carbon atom. I'm showing valence electron for carbon with dot and cross for hydrogen. So here we are having carbon in the center. And 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 are hydrogen atoms. The final dot cross diagram will be like this. Let's show the valence electron for carbon atom. 1, 2, 3, 4. We know hydrogen has only 1 electron, so they all will share with carbon atom. 1 for this hydrogen, 1 for this hydrogen, 1 for this hydrogen, 1 for this hydrogen. So this is a final dot and cross diagram for methane. If you count the number of electrons for carbon, it will be 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But for each hydrogen atom, it will be 2. 1, 2 for this hydrogen, 1, 2 for this one, 1, 2 for this one, 1, 2 for this one. So it means each hydrogen acquired the configuration of helium. Each hydrogen acquired the configuration of the electronic or electron configuration of helium. Now I'm drawing dot and cross diagram for ammonia. The formula is NH3. Ammonia. First of all, we have to show the key. For nitrogen, I'm using dot. Hydrogen, I'm using cross. You see, there's only one nitrogen, and nitrogen is present in group 5, which means it needs 3 electrons to complete its valence shell. So each hydrogen will share 1 electron with this nitrogen atom. Let me draw. This is for the nitrogen, the first hydrogen, second hydrogen, third hydrogen. Let's show the valence electron for nitrogen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For each hydrogen atom, it will be shown with cross. 1 for this hydrogen, 1 for this hydrogen, 1 for this hydrogen. Count the number of electrons for nitrogen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Which means nitrogen has completed its valence shell. Or each hydrogen got 2 electron its valence shell now. So all of these have completed their valence shell. Now I'm drawing dot and cross diagram between hydrogen and oxygen, which is H2O. You know the name of this compound, it is water. You know water is very important. We can't live without water. Oxygen belongs to group 6, which means it needs 2 electrons to complete its valence shell. Therefore, it will share 2 valence electrons with 2 hydrogen atoms. First of all, show key. On right hand side, we have oxygen and hydrogen. So I'm using cross for oxygen here and dot for each hydrogen atoms. So in the center, we are having oxygen. This is oxygen. This is hydrogen 1. This is hydrogen number 2. First, show the valence electrons of oxygen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For each hydrogen atom, 1 for this one, and second for this one. You'll see all of these have completed their valence shell by sharing electrons. Oxygen got 8 in its valence shell now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And hydrogen got 2. Each hydrogen got 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. So all of these have completed its valence shell. Now here's the work to do. Draw dot and cross diagrams to show the electronic configurations between hydrogen and bromine, carbon and sulfur. Thanks for watching. Press like, give comments and share my video. For more videos, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.